right, guys, so I just wanted to jump out of the car. I already drove it, but I didn't want to film anything. I just wanted to enjoy it. I didn't want to have to worry about getting clips or anything like that. I just wanted to go out and drive the car. And I almost want to just give you a review because I haven't driven this in 3 months. So everything feels new to me. Everything feels totally different, especially driving the truck for the last 3 months, which is a totally different experience. You know, it's amazing, absolutely amazing. I forgot how good this car is set up. Feels great. I mean, look at this thing. It's nuts. I can't believe I was even thinking about selling this. The first thing that I noticed was when I got in the car, I cannot believe how low the car feels. You honestly feel like you're on the ground. It feels like you're literally in a go-kart. It feels so awesome. The steering is just so responsive. I just can't get over how well this car is set up. Obviously, I'm a little bit biased and everything, but seriously, you know, not driving this car for 3 months and kind of forgetting about it and what it feels like, it's a whole other experience. Obviously, driving the truck is, like I said, is a totally different experience. So jumping into this is just completely different. You know, you're low to the ground, it's loud, it's smaller, the steering is really responsive and tight, whereas the truck, you know, you're just this big beefy truck on the road. It's awesome to have the experience and to be able to experience both worlds, you know, the truck and the car world whenever I want. Really, really nice feeling, and super grateful for that. But this car feels fantastic. I can't get over it. I don't think I've smiled this big in this car in a long time. You know, when you drive something every single day, you just get used to it. But when you kind of put it away and I don't say forget about it, but you know, you're not as familiar with it. Again, it becomes like a new car. And this is exactly what it feels like. It feels great. I want to get back in. I want to drive this car. I'm going to get some clips for you because I'm just so excited. But I wanted to get the initial drive out of the way because I just wanted to enjoy it. I didn't want to worry about filming. This thing looks great, feels great, love it. I've already said it, but I can't believe I was thinking of selling this thing. And I'm really happy it ended up this way and I guess back in my hands. So let's get back in the car. Let's go for a drive, get some sound clips, and enjoy this amazing car.